I'm going to be talking about. I'm actually going to be doing some live unboxing of some products that I have ordered from Aliexpress. I'm also going to be sharing, hey lovely, hey chica, welcome in. I'm going to also be linking those products below so that you guys can add these products to your online store as well. As I told you guys before, I am a believer of actually ordering my own products and having them shipped to my house. Hey Julia, it will be interesting, so I am excited. I am also going to be sharing my newest product additions that I have actually purchased from some of my students and members of the tribe, because I love to support my business owners. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of new products that I have gotten in the last couple weeks from actual tribe members. So I'm going to share them with you as well. So welcome in, guys. As you're coming in, please definitely drop me a comment below. So just to begin, guys, I've been messing up my introduction all morning. I just finished going live over there on YouTube. Had to go twice. Your girl's been on the struggle bus. Ran out of ink in the printer. Couldn't print out my notes. It just has been a trying morning, but it's all good because we're going to get this show on the road anyway. So first of all, guys, my name is Dallas Gordon, ecomcashqueen.com. I am an expert business coach and motivational speaker. Thank you so much, love. I am here to help business owners to operate in their highest possible potential, guys, and level up. I also help business owners to dominate in traffic, sales, and conversions online. So here we go, guys. Without further ado, good morning, Prophetess Regina. I'm going to share some of these products with you guys. So a lot of these products that I'm sharing with you guys in the tribe, and I'm telling you guys to add these products to your online store. I'm telling you guys to sell these products. I actually order these products to my home, guys, and I'm actually using these products myself because I don't really like to put a lot of especially expensive products. Hey, Janine Cummings, welcome in, love, again. I don't like to share products that I'm not actually fond of or that I'm using myself. I want to be confident in the products that I'm actually referring other people to and that I'm putting into the marketplace. So the first product, guys, is this professional hair salon. I don't even know how to say it, y'all. It's a steam styler. I have not opened it yet. I want you to see this, guys. So all of those ads that you're seeing and they're saying, oh, because of high demand, it's taking us 2 to 3 weeks to ship the item. It's because they're getting it from China. Okay, so I am here to show you what it looks like when it arrives. Very professional. It came in another box, but I didn't want to struggle with that box, guys. But this is how it will go. Look, when it goes to your customers, look at the back, guys. It is super quality, very heavy. I'm going to open it up so that you guys can see exactly what everything looks like real quick. And hopefully your girl won't be on the struggle bus while opening this box. Okay, so we're going to unbox this arm so that you guys can see what your customers are getting. So this is the top, and it's hard cardboard so you can store it. And look, guys. Okay, it comes with a free comb. You guys know if you have natural hair that you want to chase when you're straightening your hair with a comb, they give you a little comb, which I think is nice. Here's the yarn in here, guys. So I'm going to open it up. It's in this little pocket. The cord is like tucked behind the box. So it comes with these gloves to protect your hands when you're curling your hair. This is a product review, guys. Aliexpress steam curling iron. I know you've seen these things floating around on the timeline. So this is the way that it actually looks when it comes from China, guys. Okay, this is the gloves. It came in about 2 weeks or something like that. It comes with this little bottle. I'm thinking this is where you put the water to put inside of the iron. Comes with a user's manual. Okay. And very, very quality, guys. Okay, I haven't, fired this bad boy up yet, but it is very, very quality. Heavy, sturdy, very, very nice. So I'm going to include the link below, guys, again, because I think I already put it into the group. I actually showed you guys a Facebook ad for somebody that was running an ad to this product. I also linked where to buy this product, guys. So I will actually link this product in the comments. Hey, Shelly, welcome in. So you guys can purchase this. And let me just tell you, I purchased this item for $20 something to $30, something like that. But people are selling these irons for $60, $70 something or more bucks. Because this is a steam flat arm. So that's my first product, guys. Let me put it off of here so I can get the other one. Hold on. Okay, so here is the other one. Have you guys seen this thing floating around? Have you seen it floating around? Okay. This is from China. I ordered it from China. I spent pennies on a dollar for it compared to how much everybody's selling it. I even checked Sally's Beauty Store, and they're selling the item for $80 or something like that. Hello, get it from China for $29. Sell it to your customers, guys. This is how it comes in the box. I'm going to show you the way it looks all the way around. Okay, One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. It is this brush one. Okay, so you're selling this one, Robin. So this is the way that it looks when it comes to your customers. You just want to think about where you're marketing this product. Where is your customer going to be? I know that you've seen Facebook ads floating around for this product. So here is the manual that comes with the product. And, okay, comes in plastic, cord all wrapped up. So here it is, guys. Plug it up and you blow dry. It's good for the naturalistas, whatever you want to call us. So this is awesome. Awesome quality products, guys, that I ordered from China. And I know I'm going to plug them up. I'm actually going to use them on my own hair eventually when I feel like all of that. Okay, I'm going to use them. But I like to know what I'm putting in my customers' hands. I don't like to just put stuff in my customers' hands. Okay, so I'm also going to link that product below. Okay, guys, so just to do a quick reset, it is your girl, Dallas Gordon. I am live here in the Ecom Profit Tribe. If you're watching me on YouTube, be sure to drop me a comment, subscribe, hit the bell. If you're watching me right now on this live video, please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're getting something from this. Let me know your questions. Just say hello to your girl, ecomcashqueen.com. Okay, so before I go, guys, I have two more products that I want to share with you. They are products that I've actually ordered from my students and clients right inside of the Ecom Profit Tribe. My first one is this Royal Blue Artistry Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, Janine, I think her last name is McFadden. Okay, I might be saying it wrong. I'm not going to butcher her last name, but Janine, the second Janine, not the one that's here on the live stream, but the other Janine has her own makeup line, guys. And I like to support business owners, especially people who are my clients and students. I always try to buy something from them. I can't buy from everybody, but especially if it's something I can use, I will support and buy it. Okay, Freeland. Okay, see, I almost messed it up, Janine. You weren't having that. So here's her palette. And guys, she has an awesome makeup line. I just want to show you what's possible for some of you, because I know one of my besties is in here too, and I know that she's also going to be launching. And Ebony, I don't know if you're still in here, Chica, but she's also a student of mine. I'm really blessed to have my friends as my students who believe in my business, who actually support and have actually purchased my coaching. Well, she's also a rock star. She's launching her own fashion truck as well, which she's having a launch party for. So Ebony, you can definitely post your launch party information. But let me show it to you again, guys. It arrived in this. And I already used it. I couldn't wait to use it before this live video. But when I unboxed it, there was a free set of eyelashes that she sent me that I do not know how to put on yet. I tried and I had 2 levels of eyelashes. Your girl's not advanced like that with makeup yet, but I'm getting there as far as eyelashes. So I got to learn how to use those. But I got a free eyelash and a cute little blue bag to match her brand. I got a thank you note. And let me show you again the colors. Okay. So that you guys can see, this is her logo on the front and it has ingredients on the back. So I want you guys to support her. I will drop a link to her website below. My next one is Robin. Okay, I ordered a pen for her and my mom for Mother's Day. Yes, I do buy myself gifts. Okay, and me and my mom were so excited about these pens. I couldn't even wait to give it to my mom for Mother's Day. I just gave it to her early. It came in this nice black pouch. Let me show you this pen, guys. Hopefully you can see like the detail on this pen. Okay, this is probably the best pen I've ever written with. It is thebomb.com. Let me tell you, okay? Robin has been a friend and longtime student of mine. She was actually my very first coaching student in the history of Ecom Cash Queen. And I used to actually be Lady Boss Chick back then. She's my very first student and still continues to support me. Her products are simply awesome. I'm also going to put her information below this live video as well. So if you want people to support you guys, support your fellow business owners in the small business community. It's so important. And do not be afraid to order from Aliexpress. Do not be afraid to sell these products to your customers in order to figure out what it is that they are offering you. Order it yourself. Don't be afraid to spin a little green and see how products are coming back. That's right, Prophetess Regina. Just, yes, isn't it awesome, Julia? So she has all kinds of colors. My mom actually has the purple one. Hers is gorgeous, guys. This one is a pink one. I'm going to order more. Robin also provides a refill with the pen as well, which is inside of this little patch, which is great because I ordered another one from China, which was my favorite. But I ran out of ink and they really didn't give me a refill. So now I'm just not going to bother ordering another refill. Okay. So it's awesome. Let me show you, girl. Let me show you. So the steamer, here it is. Here's the box. Sorry. Box, very quality. Let me show you. So came with this little, to put the water in, gloves so you won't burn yourself, manual, and here is the steamer. Shelly, girl, I can't wait to use it. And I know you've seen me, and if you guys haven't seen the Facebook ad that I posted for these products, they are in the group. So if you guys, this is going to go on my YouTube channel. I just hit 400 subscribers. If you guys want to send me products to test out, I've been getting a lot of emails and stuff for people so I can test their products on my channel. Really awesome, kind of falling into it. So if you have products that you want me to test out, send them a DM me. I'll give you my address and I will review your products online to my audience as well. Thanks, Prophetess. So I just don't want you guys to be afraid, thanks Janine, to test these products out because they're actually awesome in their quality. Sometimes you're ordering from stores online and you really think that they're getting these products from within the U.S., but they're actually shipping these products overseas, and it's nothing wrong with that. Don't be afraid of that. If you are unsure, test it out. So if you're like, oh, I think that product would be great in my store, but I don't want my customers to be angry with me because I don't know how long it's going to take to get to me, test it out, order it. Open it up, see how it comes, see if the seller is including a receipt even though you've asked them not to. Don't be afraid to test your own products to give your customers the best possible ever experience. So before I go, guys, coming up is the launch, my very first launch for the Profit Freedom Tribe. I am building a tribe of individuals who wish to make their online income a full-time income and travel the world and create a life of freedom using online selling strategies. I am going to be sharing my top strategies from now on inside of this private coaching mastermind and group, as well as it's really going to be an academy where you can log in and learn every month. If you guys are interested in that, be sure to sign up for updates. You want to be updated of this very first launch, bit.ly/PFT-launch, bit.ly/PFT-launch. I'm going to come back and put it in the comments. Love you guys. Thank you, lovely Janine. Thanks, Prophetess, Robin, Julia, everybody who was here. Shelly, I don't want to miss anybody who joined in live this morning. Mandy. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for coming in live. I saw Keisha Bass in there, Ebony. Okay, so love you guys. I will see you guys soon in the tribe. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.